Mitutoyo's largest factory, with a site area of 100,000 square meters, began operations in Utsunomiya in 1944. Mass production of calipers, which are indispensable at manufacturing sites, began in 1958. In the laser fusing machine in the fusing processing area, 5 fusing machines cut blanks for the main parts of calipers, the main scale and slider. Everything from supply, processing, and unloading of materials is fully automated. This is the rough processing line for the main length of the cut caliper. This is a 24-hour unmanned processing line consisting of 12 machining centers, robots, and automatic transfer lines. We perform cutting, drilling, and groove cutting on the outer circumference of the main scale. This is the processing process after combining the main scale and slider. Among the various types of processing that we perform, finishing processing of measurement surfaces in particular requires precision processing, so we use equipment developed in-house. This is a line that automates slider processing for digital calipers. We also perform cutting processes such as grooving and drilling, grinding the front and back surfaces, and hardening the jaws. By unifying the cycle time of each process, we are able to connect machines, and by using automatic transport, we have achieved significant labor savings. Laser marking line. It automatically identifies multiple models and laser engraves the caliper scales. This is an automated line that automatically transports the markings until the scale inspection after marking. We use our own image measuring machine, Quick Vision, to inspect the scale accuracy after marking. This is the assembly line for digital calipers. Among various processes, all finished product inspections are performed using in-house developed equipment. Inspection results are stored on a server, and inspection reports are automatically issued before packaging. We manage to test results of all manufactured calipers by serial number and have established traceability. In this way, Mitutoyo's calipers made at the instrument factory are shipped all over the world. Mitutoyo continues to evolve on a daily basis with world-class technology that improves production efficiency and quality through automation and develops high-performance equipment. Shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements. We will create a factory where Mitutoyo's data utilization never stops.